Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. Intel's two-screen notebook prototypes may never sit on your lap, but will likely be the basis for real products you can buy in the not-so-distant future. Intel's Tiger RAPIDS prototype and other working models provide hints of what we'll see. First reported by PC World, the Tiger RAPIDS design is the size of a regular Moleskine notebook and about as thick. Intel says it wanted Tiger RAPIDS to recreate the functions of a paper notebook in a highly mobile device. That means a 7.9-inch Full HD LCD display on the left and an electronic paper display on the right for inking. In the middle, a hinge lets you fold it up flat like a notebook to create an ultra-thin slate. Inside, Tiger RAPIDS runs a 7th generation Intel Core processor and has an SSD, Wi-Fi antenna and memory. It charges via the single USB-C port, and Intel says that the battery has lasted for 13 to 15 hours in its testing. But while the two display looks like discrete elements, a kind of old school meets new school, pen versus digital, the two displays also work together. You can take notes on the paper display and then email them or open them on the LCD screen through OneNote. The displays also adapt to the device orientation. In laptop mode, you can use the LCD display as a traditional screen and the electronic paper display as a keyboard. The typing was a little clunky, and on such a small display, it's hard to get accurate, but it's a good proof of concept. It would be terrific if the company could work pressure sensitivity into that screen for sketching, but the EPD feels natural for writing. Intel says it did rounds and rounds of internal testing to get the screen coding right, and using the pen has an almost scratchy pencil-to-paper feel. When we tested it out at Computex, it felt like a natural writing experience and much more realistic than other stylus and screen combos. Tiger RAPIDS won't be making its way to stores. Intel says its presence at the Computex is intended as a reference design to show manufacturing partners what's possible. But in our briefing, Intel did reveal that one of its partners is looking at a very similar concept and has plans to release by the end of the year. So what do you guys think about this? Leave us your opinion in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.